Irene, it's been a pleasure working with you over these last 5.5 years. I'll never forget the first time that I met with you. You came into my office and said, well, I expect you know more about the curriculum than I do. And at that point in time, I just started listening and to try and glean as much as I could from you. It has been an absolute pleasure working with you as Dean of Doctoral Studies for University of the Rockies. This tribute honors the time that we worked together for University of the Rockies. Frederick Douglass said, without change, there's no progress, and I think that we have experienced that ourselves. We've been through leadership changes, organizational changes. You commuted to Denver, I commuted to Denver, and we both had ambiguous futures. I don't know if you remember this, but I searched pictures, and I remember that glorious day when we were trapped in the elevator at an academic conference. That was truly a life-changing experience. It was at that conference that we came together and decided that we were going to push through, and there was more that we could do to change the experience of the students at University of the Rockies. I don't know how many times this reference comes up in meetings, but because of you, I truly understand that each of us has our own lens which we see the world, and together, through lots of discussion, discourse, dialogue, we can come together and try and understand what it is that we're all seeing. Margaret Mead has a quote that's one of my favorites that talks about, it's truly only together that we can make change, and we did. We came together, we broke down silos. You were a huge piece of why we were successful. We welcomed you as Dean of Doctoral Studies. You led with transformational leadership. The processes and the teams were transformed through your coaching. The faculty, staff, and student experience was transformed and improved. And I learned through you that it takes patience and time to get to real change. Thank you for your diligence in sharing these lessons with me. I love this picture captured of you, I believe by Vera at the last graduation. Your excitement in honoring the students and your frustration in that you felt the disadvantage of working with those who didn't understand the passion and the difficulty and the trials that our students go through. But you were there for them. You were always there for them. You continue to be there for them. And I just appreciate you so much. The students appreciate you. The faculty appreciate you. And now we get to meet through Zoom, and we all enjoy the various interruptions of the little meows. I look forward to more meows in the future. It has truly been an honor working with you. The projects that we've done and the changes that we have made to improve the student experience are too numerous to name. But thank you for everything.